Hey folks, today is Friday, June 5th, 2026. The past week, the stock market dipped several percentage points over the course of a day. Crypto in general is down like 20%, and my portfolio is down about 12% this past week, and which absolutely destroyed the iron butterfly I had for Friday because of the plummeted down past all the strikes, and iron butterflies like to stay neutral, and that's an option strategy. But I'm not worried because we do more than options here. We also do dividends, and these are dividends coming in, paying us every single week. And as you can see from that green trend line, it's going up. In last week, we made $204 just from our weekly paying ETFs. So it's nice to get that consistent payment every single week. It doesn't matter what the stock market's doing. We're still going to get those dividends rolling in. And in fact, even though I'm down this week in my portfolio for 2026, I'm actually up 10%. So you can see here all of my ETFs that I have that pay out weekly, sorted alphabetically. There's a newer one. Total Capital Space Industry Income Blast ETF. This one covers the space industry, which, by the way, next week SpaceX makes their IPO, possibly the biggest IPO ever in history. So I'm curious to see what this ETF will do soon. And here we have the best performing ETFs. We see Chippies in the lead, followed by YMAG, GPTY, RDTE, QQQY. And then you can see starting to lose some overall value if I sold everything today. But you'd have to enter in your own ETFs to find out what your specific return is. So I'll leave a link to this file in the description. We have some more charts here. And let's see, we have $6,821 in dividends paid out over all time. And so my total return from everything is a positive $2,382. So if you like this kind of content, please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.